I'm Captain Starlight and welcome to another Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today we're going to unbox the smashing chimpanzee stunt loop. Whoa! Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You have already? Oh, great! The Lego City Smashing Chimpanzee Stunt Loop toy building set features a mechanical chimpanzee stunt show prop, loop and ramp, plus a flywheel-powered stunt motorbike. On your marks, get set, let's race into this unboxing. I mean, go! Bag one is done. Let's have some fun. I just made that up then. I've got three little minifigs. We've got Braxton with his little hot dog, and Geraldine with her ice cream, and we've got Ash on their motorbike. Wow, it's a really nice colour actually. I would call that pistachio green. Nice ride, Ash. Thanks so much. This ramp is so hot, it's on fire. Check that out, those are flames. Woohoo! I'm quite excited to get stuck into bag number 2 now, I think. Should we do it? All right. Look what we made! It's an angry chimp. And look what the angry chimp does. Woo! Well, before our angry chimp smashes anything else, let's make bag number 3. Our smashing chimpanzee stunt loop, otherwise known as Wee! Whoa! Boop! That's the unofficial title. It's time for us to have a go. Are you ready, Ash? You bet I am. Do you need your helmet on? You bet I do. Safety first. It's time for the smashing chimpanzee stunt loop debut.
I'm so excited to see this. I've brought my giant hand, which I think is like a smashing chimpanzee hand.
Yes, that's right, Braxton. That's exactly what it is. We've also got some snacks because you get hungry when you're watching motorbike things happen.
Yes, that's true, Geraldine. You go! Whoopsie! Oh, Ash, that was incredible! How do you feel?
It was challenging, but in the end, I managed to get that chimpanzee to smash, and I did my stunt loop, and couldn't be happier.
Would you like to thank anybody?
Look, I'd really like to thank someone I couldn't do this without. They've put in a lot of hard work, and really, without them, this wouldn't exist. I'd like to thank the chimpanzee.
Oh, thanks for watching. Don't forget you can watch all of our unboxing videos in the link below. And you can like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!